Hi everybody, Master Trainer and Transformational Super Coach Jennifer Nicole Lee. I just finished teaching my 200th workout right here at the VIP group. You know, I've been an online teacher, group fitness instructor for the past almost 6 years. But our 1 year anniversary is going to be November the 5th, and this was our 200th workout today. So we're just crushing a lot of goals. And my 93rd magazine cover happened yesterday, out of the blue. I wasn't even expecting it. And I want to thank Sylvia Popovic, just an amazing woman. She is a thought leader, she is a mindset coach, and she is a globe trotter, jet setter. Every time I turn around, she's going somewhere. She's just changing people's lives, and you're only as good as the people you surround yourself with. So thank you for that blessing. And all my VIPs, I love being your coach, and we did a great workout today. If you missed the live, do the replay. Workout 200. We did abs, we did glutes always, we did upper body, a lot of great stretches, and tons of positive affirmations. If you're not a member, go to JNLVIP.com. Your first month is $1. If I feel like you would be a good addition to our already successful and thriving fitness community online, I will then add you to the group. But I just want to make sure you're a right fit. It's not about numbers with me, it's about quality, okay? So I'm excited about all the beautiful blessings happening at JNLVIP.com. And don't forget, our World Conference is in January. If you can make it, great. You have time to set that as a goal, and I'm here to help you and coach you along the way to get your glutes to Miami in January, because the new year is like, what? Less than 3 months away, so it's time to get busy now. What you're doing today, the seeds you're planting today are going to come into fruition in the new year. So I really feel like December is the new January, you know, so think about planning your successes in advance. I love you guys. Again, join JLVIP.com, and if you're already a member, congratulations. Tomorrow we have Scared Hitless. It's going to be a spectacular workout, and we're going to scare our inches away. Hello, Susan. There's our Nova Scotia ambassador, longtime fitness friend, amazing woman. I salute you. Strong inside and out, beautiful inside and out. We have such an amazing group of women in our VIP group. It's very sacred, and it's very special, and it's very unique, and it's very rare, right? I love you so much. And then tomorrow at 2:30, we're going to be doing our group coaching. So please, tomorrow's going to be a wonderful day. And send me your questions if you have any questions. Just know that I love each and every one of you, and I love what I do. And you are the heartbeat of our VIP program. Have a great day, and I love you too. Smile and be well. Bye-bye.